How to change profile picture on TikTok. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your TikTok application. Then go to the profile icon from the bottom right corner. After that, you will see your profile over here. Tap on the plus icon and from here tap on edit profile, then go to change photo. Now you can have three options: either take photo, view photo, or select from gallery. If you want to change your photo and select from gallery, select it and then do it like this. Now as you can see, I have a new profile picture. So that's how you do it.